Here we have a Ingersoll ran 80-gallon vertical compressor. We have it powered up so you can watch it run. This is a 200 volt, 3-phase, 60 hertz. We have it connected to 208 volts. And we'll fire it up here. So we added some oil to the crankcase here, and everything operates on the unit. No air leaks. It does have some minor shipping distress. This air filter right here, it's got bent up, but it still operates. And then we'll just come around to here. This tube here on the intercooler, it got slightly bent. There's no leak, air leak right there. This tube right here is a little bent, and just a little tiny bend right here on the fan shroud. It says a oil shut-off switch, low oil shut-off switch, and that's condensate release valve here. It's automatic. It's adjustable. It just went on and off there.